Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Abdullah. I'm a third year medical student studying in Ukraine. In the last two videos, we talked about the admission process and fee structure of universities in Ukraine. If you haven't watched the video, the link is above, you can watch it. In this video, we are going to talk about the study pattern in Ukraine. Obviously, it's very important for the students who are willing to study MBBS in Ukraine. So let's begin. I have divided the study pattern in three sections. It will be more easy for you to understand. The first section, classes and lecture system, rework system and exam. Let's talk about the classes and lecture system. Before you start the classes, the university will provide you a group. There will be 45 to 50 groups. You will be among one of the group. The group will have maximum 15 international students from India, Arab countries, African students or other countries students. 15 students so that the professor will have individual attention of each student and we have to prepare well for each class exam. So classes timing 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There will be 4 classes in a day. After each class we will have the break. There is university cafeteria. There you can enjoy the break or you can study in the library. The first 2 years will be pre-clinical. You will be taught basic subjects and 4 years will be clinical and maximum classes will be held in hospitals. So let's talk about the first year, the subjects you will be studying. There will be total 15 subjects, but the important subjects will be medical biology, medical and biological physics, biological and inorganic chemistry, medical chemistry, human anatomy, histology, cytology. These are the main subjects. You can also see the academic hours of each subjects, and there is also classroom activities, lectures, seminar, practical and laboratory works, subjective individual works. There is also a credit section. Ukraine follow the ECTS, European Credit Transfer Systems. In each class we have to get at least 2 marks out of 5. Whatever the professor taught in the last class, he will take the exam. It will be MCQ questions or Viva, it depends on the professor. You have to score minimum 60 percentile, which is 3 marks out of 5. If you didn't score well, then you will get the 2 marks, which is equal to 0. Professor will not write 0, instead write 2 marks, which is out of respect. You wake up in the morning, you came to university, you attend the class, so out of respect, the professor will write 2 marks, which is equal to 0. You have to do the rework of this test. We will talk about this in rework. So now let's talk about the lectures. For lectures, there will be at least 150 to 200 students. Many groups are combined together to attend the lectures. If you miss the lectures, then you have to prepare the presentation of whole lectures and submit the file to professor. Now comes the rework part. If you miss the class or you got 2 marks in classes exam or miss the lectures, for that you have to fill the application form and get it signed by the dean. After, you have to bring that application form and submit it to professor, then you are eligible to do rework. You will rework until you get the 3 marks out of 5 for class exams. So it's a little bit complicated doing the rework. For that you have to come on Saturday or after 5 p.m. you will do the rework. So it's a little bit complicated. So it's better come everyday classes, attend everyday classes, do well in the class exams. It will be much better. Now talk about the exams. For exams there is two part, 120 marks from the classes exam that you already have been giving for 6 months, and there will be a semester exam which is called module, which is of 80 marks. This module you have to score at least 60 percentile to pass the exam. It will be in two parts. First will be a computer test. The objective question will be asked and you have to score 60 percentile. After that there will be a subjective questions or viva. It depends on the professor. In that too you have to score 60 percentile, and combined it will be of 80 marks and you have to score 60 percentile to pass this module. And from that too, classes exams that will be of 120 marks, and from that you also have to get at least 60 percentile to pass the module. So if you not able to pass the module, then you will get the 3 chance. Still you not able to pass the module, then university will expel you or you have to again repeat the semester. So this is the complete study pattern of a study MBBS in Ukraine. I hope you understand each and every thing. Still you have doubts, you can comment below or you can reach us on my WhatsApp. If you are planning to study in Ukraine, visit our website goskyu.com. There you can fill the registration form and we will apply for you. You can also follow our Instagram, Facebook accounts for daily updates, and do share this video with your friends so they can also know the genuine information about a study pattern in Ukraine. So I will be making videos on various topics regarding study in Ukraine. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.